Let's take a look here. Wow. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Blue Bar's Garage. And today is an exciting day because we have received our brand new wheels for the Subaru Forester. And not only that, but we got a call from the local tire shop telling us that our tires that we ordered last week are in. We're gonna go and get those installed along with our new wheels. But before we go, I wanna open the box and reveal to you the wheels that we got for the Forester. Without further ado, let's go ahead and take a look to see what's inside. Okay, we got our knife. I did a lot of research with this kind of setup, and I think I found the best setup that I could for my rig. We are going for that overland look. Okay, let's take a look here. Wow. There it is, guys. We got the Bassett D-hole wheels, 15x7, 5x100 with the 4-inch backspace. They kind of look like the Krager wheels that you've seen, but I love the fact that these have a red line because our vehicle is red. I always love just the small details. And we do have this Bassett sticker on here, which when I was looking online, when I saw the photos, it looked like it was actually engraved, but it looks like it's just a sticker. If we don't like it, we can go ahead and take it off. Here they are, guys. They are aluminum. I believe they're about like 20 pounds each or something like that. 5 lug, pretty inexpensive. I think they were about like 85 bucks per wheel. Man, these are gonna look really cool. Let's see. Oh yeah, that's gonna look pretty rad. We got 2 of these here. We got the other 2 already in the back. We're gonna throw these in the back and then we're gonna head down to the tire shop, get them installed. After they're installed, I'll do a final reveal of the setup. Let's go ahead and throw these in the back and we'll head out of here. So it is the next day and we are out here in the middle of Kansas. We are doing a little bit of work right now, but we did take a little bit more time at the tire shop than we wanted to. But I wanted to take the time today to reveal to you the wheels and tires that I ended up choosing for the 2001 Subaru Forester. Are you guys ready? All right, here we go. Let's reveal the wheels and tires. Oh, boom. There it is, guys. We ended up going with the Cooper Discoverer AT3s 225 70 15 with the Bassett D-hole wheels, and these are 15x7 5x100 lug pattern with a 4-inch backspace. Look at these bad boys, man. These things are pretty beefy. Let's go ahead and take a look at the side profile here. They poke out for sure. They are exactly what I needed to be out here in the country. This thing is gonna be awesome. It looks so good. I love it. What do you guys think? Do you guys like it? It's starting to come along, guys. Man, this thing is looking really cool. I think the thing that throws me off though about this whole thing is that before we had light colored wheels, so it went really well with the beige of the plastic. So now that we have dark colored tires and wheels, it kind of makes the beige look a little funny. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm going to see if I can just strip the paint off the beige. Maybe I'll just have to find a set of black plastic for the bottom all the way around, front, back bumper, sides, all that stuff. Or what do you guys think? Do you guys like the beige plastic or not? Should I keep it? Should I get rid of it? What do you guys think? I definitely think the black would look a lot better. That's my opinion. And also this front like bullhorn thing, I'm for sure gonna take that off because I think it looks a little silly and it hides that awesome JDM grill. There it is. that is the setup that we have for the Subaru Forester. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. I would love to hear from you. And let me also know if there's anything else that we should be adding to the car. I still have a lot more parts that are coming in little by little, so we'll be able to concentrate on that. I just wanted to take the time to reveal to you guys the setup. Well, that is it for this video. I hope you guys like the reveal. I am looking forward to rolling in these. If there's anything else that we should be adding to the Subaru, let me know. I would love to hear your thoughts and comments in the comment section. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you then, or we'll see you another time.